And people that are macro bearish right now are basically saying that, we broke the macro low. We fell substantially lower below it, about 14% depending on how you draw it, which is actually quite a lot. And now we're coming back in. We've broken the main, the first main resistance level, which is going to make a lot of people feel prematurely bullish. I'm telling you what bearish people are thinking right now. This is going to make a lot of people feel very, very bullish, and we know this, by the way. There's evidence for this. We've seen the longs. Look at the open interest spike. I mean, this is all longs right here. So we know that a lot of people have gone long on Bitcoin right here, and the idea of these people going short right now is that it's going to rip lower. These long traders are going to get stopped out, and then maybe we can continue up, right? The people trading short positions are either looking for Bitcoin to come down here, or down here, or down here, or even lower. It doesn't matter. It's not the point. The point is that they're kind of seeing that we broke macro structure, and now we're deviating up inside of it. Okay, and I think this is actually a very reasonable take. That it's a very reasonable take to say that we're not actually back in the game. We're not actually reclaiming the range, but what we're doing instead is we're kind of capturing resistance on a high time frame. We're tricking people into thinking that we're back so that they buy at the top, and then it's going to rip lower. It's a really sensible hypothesis. It's a really sensible approach in the market. And I can understand it, right? I think, like, as a trader, it actually makes sense, and it's a good trade to take. However, if you're trading the short side right now, you really have a lot of very, very nasty factors stacked up against you. Okay, I would not be short right now purely for the reason that this weekly chart is just too damn bullish. This weekly chart is just too damn bullish. Look at what happened last time. We had a similar size wick to this. What is the size of this wick? 14%. What is the size of this wick? 15%. Basically the same thing, right? And yes, we dipped a little bit after that, right? We could obviously end up doing this, and this is kind of like your best case scenario if you're going short right now, right? Like, if I was going short, this is the only thing I would be hoping for. Big wick energy. There you go from King Wigger. I think this is it, right? Like, if you're trading the short side, this is kind of like the maximum potential that you reasonably have. Is it possible that it just collapses through? Yeah, obviously, but I think at this point, Strategic Bitcoin Reserve, White House, Trump, recovery, weekly candle, I don't think it's going to happen. I don't think we're going to see a big drop anymore, at least not soon. So you have very limited upside if you're kind of looking for shorts in that direction, and that's why I said that the best trade right now is going to be kind of a long down here with a nice wide stop loss, because it will allow for that kind of deviation back below again, to have that second deviation like we had over here, but it also allows you to kind of enjoy that upside if it comes. I don't know if it's going to come. I'm not a financial advisor. Like I said, I'm a stupid 23-year-old. There's no reason to listen to me, but that's how I feel about the market, and that's what I really, really believe we could be seeing here. Yeah, is that we're basically more or less recovering very, very well, and the opportunities to go short right now, while I understand them, the upside potential here, I think, is very, very hard to justify, and to me that doesn't make it worth kind of looking at. It makes it not worth looking at. Thanks for pushing us past 250 likes, by the way. You absolute legend. So that's the bearish hypothesis that I understand, that I see, that I partially agree with, and it's the reason that I would not be taking shorts right now anyway. Yeah, because I just think it's far, far, far too dangerous. So there you go. That's kind of my take on the kind of bearish side of things. Ladies and gents, if you have any questions, please drop them in the live chat now. Otherwise, it's been about 90 minutes. I'm going to be looking to close this live stream off relatively soon. If you have enjoyed this live stream, do make sure that you smash up those likes, subscribe, tick the bell, all that good stuff. You get phenomenal offers with the links in the description down below. Those of you looking for a one-to-one program, it's been so incredibly successful. It's very serious, very expensive, but it's been so incredibly successful. Every single person that's taken this offer or something similar has massively paid off the fee, either through making profits or preventing losses. Every single person, no exceptions so far. There will be an exception eventually, but so far it hasn't happened. And I think it's a testament to just how how good this shit is, and also how good the people that kind of joined are. Because like I said, it's serious, right? Like, you can't join and be half-assed here. And there's a price tag to match that as well. So if that sounds interesting to you, reach out. Remember, the team will give you that information. If you want to move to Dubai, if you want to check out what living tax-free in a safe, conservative country feels like in 2025, then definitely reach out to me on my socials. Or also you speak to a member of the team on Telegram. And obviously, phenomenal offers down here. When you start trading on any of these links here, you're going to get a ton of free cash, and any profits that you generate with that cash are going to be yours to keep. So very, very cool indeed. Again, only if you're not from a restricted region. Let's wait for the new weekly candle to open. I mean, yeah, like I said, 2 hours, so it won't take too long. Ladies and gents, if you have any final questions, please drop them in the live chat. Otherwise, I'll probably be looking to close this one off. It's been a really, really good live stream. I'll be right back whenever there's more volatility. Of course, I'm always here when there's big interesting stuff happening. So we'll definitely be covering that here on this channel, either with videos or live streams. Stay online for the weekly candle update, dude. That's 2 hours. I can't do another 2 hours right now. I gotta head out as well. Maybe go smoke a shisha or something. I don't know. I'll see. I'm not gonna do another 2 hours. I can't really do that right now. To be honest, I'm hungry, dude. Like I need to. You guys got me talking about shawarma. Like I'm thinking about shawarma now.